Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. You know, when we're in the kitchen, I love a whole heap of something happening, you know. A whole heap of things happen when we are in the kitchen. Basically, I just want to simply say to you that I want to make you guys a lovely healthy drink, which can be really amazing with my fans them. I want my fans them to be happy and having a good time with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Remember, I have the cooking channel also, where you can log on and get your recipe and get different ideas of making things at home. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to make you guys a healthy drink, which is going to be fantastic and being amazing for you to drink at home. Alright, so first thing, let's move this glass, because I'm not going to be using this big glass today. Might use a smaller one. First thing what I'm going to do, I have 1.5 apple which I just cut up a while ago. I'm going to pop it straight inside of my blender. I cut them up very small. I got half of a beetroot. I'm going to pop it straight inside of it. A few pieces of ginger, I'm gonna pop it straight inside of it. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 almond, and I'm gonna pop it straight inside of my blender right here. Nice one. Little bit of lemon juice and some honey to taste, to sweeten and taste as it goes along. And also vegan can have this drink. Then we're gonna put some natural water inside of it, just to free up the blender, you know what I mean? Then we're gonna simple cover, and we're gonna blend this for 4 to 5 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. Very good blender is good to go. All right. Nice and lovely. So basically, I just finished blending it. So what we're going to do now is this. I'm going to strain it, get some of the fiber out. Sometimes I do have the fiber, but not all the time. Nice one, as you can see. There's a lot of fiber. Nice one. So basically that's it so far. Let's put this one side. And then what we're going to do is pour it out inside of a glass like this. Very good drink, guys, honestly. Remember, you got beetroot, apple, ginger, lemon and honey. Tell me what you think about that drink. It is amazing drink, and I know you guys will love it. And the basic thing again, you got the apple with a little bit of sweetness, so it is very good to go. So hopefully you guys will just love that one, and please subscribe, leave your comments below. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming your way. Look at that, really fantastic and nice. As you can see, beetroot, almond, apple, ginger, lemon, water, honey, sweeten and drink. Have this every morning for 5 mornings straight. You will be healthy. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. And this is from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. See you next time. Bye bye. In the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Anyway, today we want to make weight loss drink. This one you can have it in the morning when you're having your breakfast or lunchtime. You can drink a nice, lovely tropical punch, tropical fruit slices drink. Alright, right here I have some fruits which I brought from the supermarket, slice up. And then, you know what I mean, I have them in the fridge, and it came to my mind, and one mind said to me, say, you know what, I could make like a healthy weight loss drink. So what we want to do today is to tell you what I have, exactly what we're going to use inside of the smoothie blender right here. First of all, you need pineapple. This is how the pineapple look. 1, 2, 3, 4 slices of pineapple. Alright? 4 slices of pineapple, put it in straight inside of your Smoothie Ninja blender at your home. Then next, mango. 1, 2, 3 slices of mango. Put it straight inside of a Ninja Smoothie blender at home. This is some Julie melon, or some people call it yellow melon. Alright, we're gonna put it straight inside of it like this. 3 pieces. Alright, that's how it look. Then next, I got some mango juice, which I'm going to use inside of it like this. Roughly about 1/4 cups of mango juice. Nice one. And all you're going to do is put on your blender cover, just like this, and blend this for 4 to 5 minutes, and then you can have a nice lovely drink for weight loss. Nice and lovely. So basically I just finished blend it. This one, look at this. Nice and lovely. That's exactly what Chef Ricardo is talking about. Mango, yellow melon, pineapple, and mango juice. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, and that the weight loss drink. And see you next time. And this is Chef Ricardo on the team. Very easy. You can have this in the morning with your breakfast. Nice lovely smoothie, or a nice lovely juice, whatever you like to have it, guys. Thank you so much, and see you next time. And this is just tips from Chef Ricardo on the team. Bye bye. Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Anyway, we're gonna make you a simple juice today, which is gonna be carrot. So basically I have 2 medium-sized carrots. Remove the skin, and what I'm gonna do is cut them up very small. Put them straight inside of it like this. Right, nice one. Then I got apple. So this one we're going to make is going to be that's half of an apple. This is another half of the apple. And also a nice piece of a ginger, some lemon juice, and we're gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of honey, and then we're gonna use some water. Nice one. And all we're going to do is cover it and blend this about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright guys, and it's a lovely drink, and I know you will love it. Nice and lovely. So basically what we're going to do is strain it off. I just finished blending it. just gonna run it through my strainer like this. And as I say, this one is just an easy one. Apple and carrot with ginger. Really nice one. So now this is this one is gonna be finishing up now. So what we're going to do, I got a glass with some ice and I'm gonna pour it in like this. And that is lovely and nice. So this is a lovely drink. As you can see, apple with carrot, ginger, lemon and honey, sweeten, taste and good to go. That's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about right here, guys. So look at that, beautiful and nice. Enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe and leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.